I'm Olivia and welcome back to my channel.
Won't stop the beat and go.
So in today's video we're going to be making the super simple crochet top rectangle skirt, basically a rectangle that you can wear in 3 different ways, so please feel free to stick around to the end. So what you'll need is about 4 balls of 50-gram cotton. I'm using white color, and then you'll need a 2.5mm crochet hook. I'm using Chiogu, I don't really know how to say it. So what we're going to do is start by making a slip knot, and then I'm just going to show you how to do the pattern. So I'm just going to make a small chain, but as in the pictures or like videos for, well, you can see in the thumbnail, I made a chain of 88, but this can vary according to how large or small you want your skirt top to. So you'll make your chain as long as you want your work to be. So if you want your skirt to be a bit longer, like in terms of like coverage, you make your chain longer. If you want it shorter, you do less chains. So yeah, so I'll show you now what we're going to do. So we're going to double crochet our way to the other side. So you work in every single stitch, so in a double crochet, so that's yarn around your needle through the stitch, catch the yarn on the other side, pull through, so you have 3 loops, catch the yarn, pull through 2 loops, and then catch the yarn, pull through 2 loops again. So it's just a matter of repetition. So I'll meet you once I'm at the other side. So we made our double crochets to the other side, so now we're going to chain 2. We're going to go 1, 2, flip your work around. And we're not going to work into the stitch, we're going to work into the gap. So double crochet, yarn around your needle, catch the yarn on the other side, pull through. So you have 3 loops, catch the yarn, go through 2 loops again. And then go through 2 loops again until you have 1. And then you start with the next stitch. So we're working in each gap. So we're going to do this for however many rows you need for the skirt to fit around your hips or bust, whichever one you want to do, or all 3. So you'll have to work that out. For me, I did, I think, 108 rows. So yeah, it's all up to you. And that's what's super cool about this pattern, that it's super customizable. So you just need to do what you need to do and you'll be fabulous. So yeah, I'll meet you once I have finished my skirt. So I'll meet you now. Okay, so I've got my skirt here, as you can see. So this is, let me just explain, this is the number of chains you do, and then this is the amount of rows you'll do, which is long enough to fit around your bum, or well, like hips area and your bust and your chest and stuff. So what we're going to do once we have our one panel, which I think I did 108 rows or something like that, I did a lot of rows. What you're going to do now is we're going to make a slip knot, and we're going to make the straps now. So I'm going to put my needle where that little yarn is, little piece of stray yarn, and I'm going to catch the slip knot. Then we're going to catch chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to do a treble crochet. So you wrap your yarn around once, and then you wrap again twice, then you go through the stitch, catch the yarn and pull it through. So you should have 4 loops. Then you catch and you pull through 2 loops, So you have 3 loops now, then you catch and you pull through 2 loops. So you have 2 loops now, and then you catch and you pull through both the other loops. So you have 1 left, and then you start the next treble crochet. So I'm working with 3 stitches there from the end, and then I'm going to chain 1, 2, 3, flip my work around, and then start with the next bunch of treble crochets. So now this chain, well, this little row thing you've got going on here is going to be your straps, and you make that how long you need to wrap around your waist and tie around your neck and stuff. So then again, you make it how long you want. Yeah, so I'll meet you once I have made this chain on both sides. Once I've done this side, I'm going to do it on this side as well, so in this corner here. So here are the straps we did on either side, and now I'm just going to show you how to wear the skirt in 3 different ways. So here is the first way you can wear this rectangle skirt, rectangle top, don't know. So the first thing you do is you wrap it around like so, and then one side under the other, and then you take your needle and you catch the string, well, not the string, well, the little strap that you've made, and you pull it through. Okay, then once you've done that, you kind of just, you make it tighter by adjusting on there. Then you take both sides and you wrap it around and just make a bow. So this is the skirt, super simple. And then here's the back. So here's a little 360 of the skirt. It's gorgeous. So here is the second way you can wear the top. So I've just tied it around, well, wrapped it around my front like that, then brought the straps over, weave them in here, and then tied around the neck, and it has this cute little opening at the back. It's gorgeous. I'm just showing you how to make the second way of doing this top. So you can see I've wrapped it around my bust, and then the straps have kind of come under the armpit, and then I've weaved them through just either side where your boob is, or however wide apart you want it. And then you can just see I'm just trying to hook in the strap. It is, yeah, so it's quite simple. And then you just pull it through and then tie it around your neck, and then call it a day, and then you have the beautiful top. So here is the third option. It's gorgeous. And then there's like the back, like a droopy back kind of. And then it's simple. You basically just cross it over and then tie it around your neck. Super beautiful. It's gorgeous. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and I would love to see your creations, so tag me on Instagram. And thanks for sticking around and watching till the end.